Evening, y'all. Oh, evening, y'all. Damn, that's a bright light. We're out here tonight. Just wanted to give you an update. We completely changed the water in the pond. It's still a little cloudy. Now I'm blind. But everybody's looking pretty good. It's got a good flow going. I changed the way the pump was. All the pumps, actually. Even that filter. Oh, there's C3PO. And there's Yang, and everybody else is over in the corner. They're camera shy. But I took the water down, got it tested, and everything's perfect. So we'll see how things go from here. Hope y'all like it. Peace. Love y'all.